pressure up here. Clean knife, a little more pressure up here. Pull that edge off. Same thing on the bottom. Lay it down. Sanding here and there, and that'll be perfect. Pressure on the bottom here. Pull that edge off. Once that dries, lay it down one more time. And that's ready for sanding once it dries. Got a little punch spot. Scrape all your boogers off. One more. This way. Pressure on the bottom. This way. Edges down, one slow pull up the middle, one from side to side. That's your second coat. Your third coat is going to be just filling these little areas in and doing a little sanding, and it'll be done. We're going to just do a quick pull on this, nothing fancy. So we'll just sand that a little bit on the edges, float it out about an inch or two more, and then it'll be ready to paint. Take down our high spots. Any boogers? Boogers are where there's chunks of stuff in the paint or high spots in the drywall. Okay, this is a small one, so we're just gonna do a pull and a half. Trying to make yourself a fairly even square. Here we've got some uneven drywall, so we're going to pull that up into that, like so. Got another one down here. Let's box this in. This was a crater. Someone kicked it. across. Boom. Second coat complete. Here's a good example of scraping your high spots. Okay. Take all those high spots off. Make this nice and smooth. This is why you use a blue steel knife, because it also will lay things down nice and flat. Stainless steel is too stiff to have any finesse with. It's good for certain things. When you need flexibility in a knife, you're not going to get it out of a stainless steel knife. Little high spot there, that's what we sand down. Once that's sanded down, we put a really thin coat on it, it's done. There we got us a nice punch mark in the wall here. Pull that bad boy. It's a bit of a crater, so I'm laying it on. When you pull across this, you're going to push down. When you get towards the middle, you're going to release a little pressure and push back down again. I'll have to do this one a couple of times.